Hi, hello, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In my past video, I showed you regarding variables, literals, data types, keywords, etc. etc. So now I'm going to show you practically how all these things can input output statements and all. Last class we discussed in my past video. So now integer literals, etc. etc. Other kind of the literals. Now I want to show you everything on Jupyter Notebook. So first of all, to go to Jupyter Notebook, we need to open the command prompt. And in the command prompt, we have to type the command. What is the command? I showed this command in my previous video, that is Python -m notebook. I want to open a simple notebook, Python -m notebook. That takes you to the notebook server, Jupyter Notebook server, and it opens in your default browser with the local host 48. Okay, here you can select the folder where you want to store that particular file, and I am opening here already. Python programming folder is there. I am opening here, it is. And now I want to create a new file, that is python 3 ipy kernel. Yeah, so this is the notebook environment. Okay. Okay, so here some of the buttons that we will see. This is used to save the video, sorry, save the Jupyter Notebook, and this is used to what we can say, the increment the code cells, and this is used to cut. See, if I press button, the code cells are incrementing. If I select this scissor icon, this will be reducing, and this is used to copy, and this is used to paste, and this is used to run, and this is used to stop or interrupt, and this is used to restart, and this is used to restart the kernel and run all the cells, and this is used to code. So code here, two different types are there apart from the code: markdown and raw. If at all you want to, if I select markdown here, okay, so this is Python programming. Okay, so just run it. This will be showed like this, just a text, the markdown. But the second one is nothing but code. Okay, and again, if you want to write any markdown, you can mark down it, or this is the again coding. I want to increment multiple code cells here. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to create some literals. I want to show you the int literal. Okay, so int literal a is equal to 10. Okay, so then what I am going to do is I want to print the value, outputting the value of a, and I want to see the type of a. Okay, to see the type of a, I am making use of this print type of a. Okay, so I am running this. A is equal to 10, print type of a, it is the int literal, so that's why it is showing the class of int here. Now I'm going to create a float literal. Okay, for comment entry you have to use this hash symbol, so whatever you write, that will be stored in the comment. Okay, float literal. Okay, so float literal a is equal to 123.5, sorry, 5678. So it's a float value, and again I'm printing the same, print a, and then print type of a. Okay, type a. Okay, so now I am running this one. Okay, so like this we can create a print literal and as well as the float literal.